Hi, Matthew with Parkway Business Solutions. Wanted to thank you for taking a quick moment to watch this video. We've been working pretty hard in the background to improve some of our features and benefits that we offer to all of our different clients. And among those is our upgrade with our SmartVault system. So we're going to dive in real quick and just give you a quick tutorial of where everything's at and how you can find it. One of the great benefits of SmartVault is your ability to access your documents from anywhere, pretty much. We've also tried to make it a little bit easier by adding a client login on our website up at the top corner here. So even if you're on a different computer, you could just come to our website, parkway.business, click on the client login, and it would actually take you to a login page where you'd put in your username and password, and then it would open you up to your SmartVault location. Within here, there's actually two different views that you can look at. Here it's kind of an overview where you can click on the drop downs to go to the different folders, as you can see I'm kind of doing. Then there's also, if you click on the open with files and folders view, click into your company file, and then you'll see the trail at the top here keeps expanding to show you what folder you're in, so you can go back and forth a little bit easier. Now here you would normally find your company name. We've put Parkway Business Solutions for the purpose of the demo. And once inside here, you go to the client portal, and then you have all of the folders that are really where all of your important information is at. So you're going to have your archive folder, which is going to house all of your prior year information in zipped format. You're going to have your banking information, which will have your images, statements, and transactions. So your images will contain the different accounts that you have, and then copies of all of your check images and deposit images, depending on whether your bank helps provide them or not. Go to statements at that point in time. From the statements, you'll have each of your different financial accounts, credit cards, banks, and the account number and the month and year, of course. Going back to the client portal, we would have our external data requests. That's when you have a third-party person that's needing access to certain information from your vault and you ask us to provide it to them. We will usually put it in there and provide them temporary access, but keep them out of everything else. Your inbox, for those who have the inbox set up through the desktop app, is the ability to drop in different files, and it will automatically upload into the inbox, and we will be notified that there's new documents there. Then really the most important ones for everybody, the managerial reporting and the payroll processing if you're doing payroll with Parkway. Both of these folders have been set up that when we complete a process and we drop them in here, they will trigger a notification immediately to you, so you know that they have been added to SmartVault. Now the other folders have the ability to do that as well. We have not turned that on purpose because we want it to be known that these are important files that are coming through. As a matter of fact, to show you what they look like, email that comes through will say Parkway Business Solutions notify at my.smartvault.com. So I recommend maybe set up a special rule, that way you know you'll always be able to get it. Then we have your source documents and your taxes. You'll have your breakdown of different tax information for the year, and of course prior years will be in your archived area. The source documents, we've got both monthly packets and individual documents. They're the same thing. One of them is just everything combined together as we receive them. And again, when we're talking source documents, what we're really interested in is going to be any of your cash receipts or specific like reimbursable expenses, things that are not being captured through your bank accounts, and we still need to make sure we attribute where the money went to. If I go back to the individual documents, you'll see we end up listing a large number of individual documents. And the whole reason for it is this wonderful trick. I'm going to actually go back to Client Portal, which is the top tier of everything. And now if I want to do a search and find a check that was for $66, I can type in $66 and hit search. By doing that, it pulls up every instance of $66 that it can find. So by having those individual docs the way we do, instead of having to go sorting through a large document with everything in it, this will be able to provide just a single item that you'd be interested in. That feature, it takes some extra time, legible through OCR as best possible, but it's not always perfect. So we'll do our best to make it as efficient as possible for you. One of the final areas we wanted to cover with you is the public documents. This is an area that's going to continue to grow. Our goal from this is to be able to provide information that you guys usually request from us. We're trying to make it towards easily accessible for you. If you have any suggestions or ideas of things you'd like to see in there, please feel free to reach out to us, let us know, and we'll do our best to populate it into that area for you as well. We hope this quick tutorial about SmartVault and the structure of the folder system as well as its new features was informative for you. Should you have additional questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. The Parkway team will be more than happy to help. You can also check out our YouTube channel for additional videos as we'll be releasing them on a pretty regular basis. From the team here at Parkway, we wish to thank you for your continued business and wish you a very successful week.